In the Igbo, we have a cultural practice called Ihachi Nwaanyi or ikuchi. This particular cultural practice allows a man to take over the widow of his late brother in order to cater for her and her children. This would now enable the man to take over the late brother's property in order to use those resources to take care of the late brother's family. Currently, this practice is being abused by brothers who forcefully take over the woman and the woman's husband's properties, or they take over the husband's property without the responsibility that is attached, which is the responsibility of taking care of the late brother's family and his wife. This cultural practice or arrangement was never enforced or was never forcefully enforced on a woman, because in Igbo ancient practices or traditions, women have the right to marry a husband or reject a man's proposal. Therefore, we could actually say that divorce was actually permitted in Igbo customs and Igbo cultures. We need to understand the intentions and the mindset behind the institution of some of these Igbo ancestral practices and cultures. But because of westernization, colonialism, the missionaries, in and all, social dissonance that most of Igbo are now struggling with, we mostly do not know which culture was our original and authentic cultural practices. Therefore, this now created room for malicious individuals to twist these kinds of practices based on their malicious intent. Therefore, sedimenting the notion of ihe ọjọọ gba afọ ọ bụrụ omenani.